know about the idle, but it's a little low or high, whatever you think.
A little bit high. Okay. Pretty new, huh?
Yeah, I wish I'd put my stickers on now. Maiden, never been in the air.
Everything's working. A little windy, but not too bad.
This plane should be pretty good and windy. Yeah, actually a lot of the guys said that 2310's a little better prop on this motor.
Yeah.
I figured I'd get one and see.
Right and left ain't touched.
Really?
Give it a few clicks up elevator.
Wow. Right and left, you haven't touched. Just a few clicks up. Well, I spent a lot of time on this setup too.
Yeah, I think aileron's perfect.
Wow.
A little bit up elevator is all I've done so far.
Awesome. These bigger planes, I just kind of go over them and over and over, and that helps. Yeah, the engine's already sounding better. Good. How's it feel?
Feels great.
Does it really?
Oh man, it's a sweetheart.
Awesome.
Definitely a keeper.
Awesome.
Get up there and kind of see what the rudder's going to do. I like to feel how they're going to affect.
It's got a pretty good sized rudder.
Skid's good. It doesn't sling the wing down real bad.
Okay.
That's what I like to find out before I come into turn over here.
Oh yeah. Well, go ahead and fly it around for a while.
I will.
Don't just land it. It's some air time. It'll probably fly for 30, 40 minutes.
Yeah. Boy, it is sweet. Very smooth.
Is it as smooth as reactor?
Yeah, I mean
it's a little faster.
It's faster, but yeah, it's very smooth. I mean, it just does exactly what you tell it to do.
Just a little faster.
That's about half throttle right there.
Okay.
We see it good.
Yeah. Well, you told me to get the revolvers that you really liked them.
I love it. I like that blue 40 I have is great.
Yeah.
70 flies good. And I had no doubt that this one
would be the same.
Give it a little bit of down elevator.
Yeah.
That don't really mean the balance of it. This could be the style of plane.
Well, it doesn't feel like the balance is off in any other area.
It's perfect.
Okay. Because I really thought I had the balance right on.
One way you can really tell is put it about 3/4 throttle. Around. Invert it. Put it up. Let off your stick. Balance perfect.
Okay.
It stays in that 45-degree angle. If it drops the nose real fast, pretty quick, right away when you let off the stick, then it's nose heavy.
Okay.
And if it just keeps climbing on over, then it's tail heavy.
Oh, okay.
It's perfect.
Good.
It should land pretty easy, just like these smaller revolvers.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's a sweetheart.
Awesome.
Like it's on rails.
Great. I was hoping.
Motor's on great.
Yeah. Well, I just set them out in the yard and tune on them all day.
Yeah, that's what you gotta do.
Do you like the bigger prop?
Yeah, it feels great on here.
Okay, everybody said that they liked the bigger prop. Ken said no, but
it's flying fantastic.
Ken said no, but Flying Giant said yes.
See what kind of vertical she's got. Good.
Not unlimited though?
Oh yeah, I let off of it. It's still going.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it'll climb a long time.
Okay, so I
just didn't want to get up there and lose my orientation.
Right. So you can get by with the bigger prop. Okay, yeah. Good. For some reason, those bigger ones are cheaper.
Isn't that crazy?
They're not as popular, see?
A little bit of a crosswind, so should be able to come in.
Look at that sun's hitting my screen. I can't see it. Not yet. Yeah, now I am. Alright. Yeah. Well, take your time. Like I said, it'll run forever. Take your time.
It's idling a little heavy, but I don't want to kill it too much.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Looks like you had it there for a second. Oh no, is it like the little Tony?
Kinda.
Oh no.
It floats. I mean, I'm shutting the throttle down a little sooner each time, but
should have done flapper-ons probably or something.
I mean, I'm at idle right there all the way in.
Wow. Getting a pretty strong crosswind now. Huh.
Just, I don't want to stall it down.
Oh, I don't blame you. Just, you got all the time in the world, like I said.
It just floats forever.
Well done, Terry.
It lands good, but it floats forever.
Just like the little Tony.
Yeah.
I hate the little Tony.
Man, that thing is sweet. Golly. It flies fantastic. It's just,
good job,
it's
Terry.
Smooth. I mean, it's like it's on rails, man.
You did a great job.
Landing, it comes in, it floats. It floats a long way. So, unlike some other 50cc's that you have to shut or leave a little thrust on it, I
probably don't.
Shut the throttle off way out there and just idle in. So,
okay.
It's easy to land, very smooth, but it floats for a long way. So,
all right. Good
awesome
job.
plane.
Thank you.
Thanks for.
It's not an ass block, but get you by in a pinch.
That back kind of close by this one.
You feel it.
The big difference between in the sun and in the shade right now. Go.
Good.
Good.
What I think, sweet?
You know, you really have to watch your time. It'll probably only fly for about 45 minutes. So really keep an eye on it. I haven't even set a timer on it. There ain't no time I'm going to stand there for probably even 15 or 20. That's a nice 4-point.
Yep.
Nice knife edge. Does it do it real easy on low? Got a good size rudder on it. Yeah, okay. Nice. It's actually a little more acrobatic than I thought it would be with the smaller control surfaces. Good. Yeah. He don't have much time on it.
Let me do an avalanche. Avalanche is a loop and a snap at the top.
Come in. Yeah. It'll tail slide around. You can give it just a little bit of right aileron and full left rudder, and it'll just slide right around that corner. It doesn't try to tip at all. You kind of play with it and get the feel of it. That's what I do. Yeah, it does not. Smooth, isn't it?
Where's that wind coming from?
Right now,
It's hit me right in the back.
it's going right out that way. You can land from that end.
Yeah.
Switching.
Yeah, it's hit me right in the back still. Yeah, it's kind of a glider, kind of like that, a floater, kind of like the Little Tony.
Now the wind's blowing that way.
Of course. Yeah, little motor sounding better every tank. Of course, I go a real cheap oil, and then I go an semi-synthetic, and then I go the full synthetic. Yeah, it's crosswind. It's a floater.
Every time you come in so hot, it's hard to tell. But man. Now you're kind of that direction, so then you got a little bit of lull there. Don't pick up on you right as you're coming in. Oh, perfect right now. Dead on. A little more throttle on the rim of the corner and then start getting it going. You ain't got no wind hardly. Yeah, you probably keep enough speed up right there just by diving down. Down.
Come on.
Is that wind rocking?
Yeah, it's going around.
Really?
Yeah.
Won't you glide forever? Wow, that's weird. Now there's wind.
Well, yeah, he can see, it's probably coming off that road out there, and we couldn't feel it.
Open over there.
Yeah, because I could see it moving it around.
If you're nervous.
Well, I'm not nervous with it because I can get it coming down.
Well, Terry got it down. Give it to him if you want to. He's the only one that's got it down. I haven't tried it yet.
It does.
You guys are the
forever.
guinea pigs.
Yeah, it does.
Done snapped me there, somebody. And I'll hand you the radio. Here you go. You got it? Yeah.
Flies good. It just floats.
Flies good.
It just floats too much. And see, I don't like that on